Indonesia, one of the most iconic tourist destinations in Indonesia. Hi, my name is Asharuyati. Today I will be your tour guide or your field tour guide, and we will explore about the natural charm and the cultural richness offered in this area. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we will explore the beautiful of these destinations and understand how we can support this sustainable tourism in this destination. Thank you. Alam Indah Tegal Beach, located in Tegal City, Central Java, Indonesia. It's the one of the most charming beach destinations in this city. Known its the soft black sand and the floating reef is the beautiful of this destination. And it is not only offers the natural beauties, but also it is rich for the cultural heritages.
Part 1. Introducing Pantai Alam Indah Tegal or Alam Indah Tegal Beach. This beach has the main attraction in the form of a bridge that spans the beach for selfies. There is a shady mangrove forest to prevent abrasion, and tourists are allowed to visit the forest and take selfies.
Also, there are many swings on the beach, suitable for relaxing because it is accompanied by the shady mangrove trees. And then if you feel hungry after swimming or taking photos or selfies, you can order any food because there is a lot of the food store, and you can order your food or your drinks according your wants. And there is still a lot of this facility of destinations.
As a tourist destination, Alam Indah Tegal Beach has historical value because in the past this tourist attraction was not organized. The landscaping and facilities inside were still rough. Even though the public interest in the tourist attractions was quite large, especially on the Sundays and national holidays. But after 2004, the local government slowly began to seriously manage by fixing some important parts, including beautifying landscaping, providing more representative parking lots, building masjids, viewing posts, and two platforms that can be used to chat with visitors. The Tegal city government also invited local investors to provide a floating restaurant, complete with a pier. At the end of Adi Winarso leadership period, a maritime monument in the form of a warship equipped with used many weaponry system, Alutsista, was even built, commissioned by the Indonesian National Army, Navy. The monument was inaugurated by Chief of Naval Staff Tejo Edi Purji Jatno and Deputy Governor of Central Java, Daerah Rusti Ningsih. Part 2. Tradition and local activities. One of the interesting activities that you can witness at Alam Indah Tegal Beach is the Sedekah Laut tradition. This activity, which is carried out by the local community precisely in the month of Suro according to Javanese calendar, is included in the traditions of fishermen, traditional ceremonies, or cultural festival. This activity is carried out by the throwing several offerings accompanied by buffalo head to be released into the ocean. This activity is believed to bring good luck for fishermen to get more sustenance for the ocean. This activity not only shows the richness of local culture but also support sustainable tourism by supporting sustainable tourism, for example, educating visitors, using local materials, or reducing environmental impact.
Then today we will introduce some of the tourists here, and we know about what their opinion about this destination. Let's check it out. Ini sih Mbak.
Perkenalkan, nama aku Adis. Aku asalnya dari Tegal sih, dari Selawi.
Wah, lumayan jauh ya Mbak. Jadi Mbak jalan ke sini ini motivasinya besar juga ya Mbak. Kalau boleh saya tahu, apa motivasi Mbak datang ke sini dari jauh-jauh dari Selawi sampai ke Pantai Alam Indah ini sendiri?
Sebenarnya motivasinya cuma pengen healing aja sih di sini, kayak gitu. Jadi ya sekedar ngelepas penat aja dari kehidupan aktivitas sehari
saya berikan kepada Mbak. Wah, jawaban sangat bagus sekali. Saya begitu mengapresiasi jawaban Mbak dan terima kasih atas ketersediaan waktu Mbak dalam menjawab beberapa pertanyaan dari saya. Dan kemudian mungkin Mbak akan melanjutkan rekreasi di sini dan selamat bersenang-senang dan semoga hari Mbak menyenangkan selalu. Terima kasih Mbak.
Part 3. The importance of conservation and participation.
Okay, we go to the importance of the conservation and the participations. As we know that the beach conservation is of the utmost importance to ensure the sustainability of these destinations. One way to contribute is by not littering, respecting local rules, or participating in the beach cleanup activities. So also our every actions plays a role in maintaining the beauty of the Pantai Alam Indah Tegal, or in English you can say that Alam Indah Tegal Beach, and that it can ensuring that it remains a place can be enjoyed by many people. So, by participating in this tour and following the principle of the sustainable tourism, you are helping to present the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the Pantai Alam Indah Tegal, or the English is the Alam Indah Tegal Beach. Okay guys, by the way, this is the conclusions, and thank you for joining this virtual tour. Hopefully you can gain new insight into the Tegal Pantai Alam Indah, or the English is Alam Indah Tegal Beach, and we can know how we can all contribute to the sustainable tourism. If you have any questions of you would to learn more from me, please do not hesitate to contact me. And goodbye, and I hope you can visit the Pantai Alam Indah Tegal, or Alam Indah Tegal Beach in person in the future. And then see you soon. Bye bye.